Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Photo Department and a continuation of my series called Risk of Exposure. Before we get into the photography, we need to address something very important. The t-shirt competition raffle thing that I did on my Kodak Gold video. If you haven't watched it, you can go watch it. I'm sorry it's taking so long, but I have a winner. We've got a winner. One of you won. So I went to wheelofnames.com and put everybody who commented into the little name generator thing. And then I actually spun the wheel of names 10 times to account for any weird error or like if there was something with the way the order of the names went in. I just wanted to make sure there was no weird possibility of it not being completely unbiased. So spun the wheel a bunch of times, whatever, got it all ready. Okay, I was satisfied. Spun the wheel and the winner is Christiane M. Congratulations, you won. You won this shirt. It's already packed up in a package, ready to go to the post office. So you please email me hello@seastormphoto.com. Prove to me that it's your account. Give me your name and address and the shirt will be sent off to you. And we'll get to you at some point. I don't know where you live, so I don't know how long it's gonna take to get to you, but it'll get to you at some point. Congrats. Thank you for commenting, watching my videos, and supporting, so I hope you enjoy the shirt. Not a whole lot of new stuff to report on this episode. I've been baking a lot and focusing on processing film. I'm doing a lot of film processing, more so than usual, which is cool. My good friend Jordan, who is a pizza slut, he was featured on an episode that you can see here if you want to go watch that. I did Cinestill film shot at 1000 ISO. The point is, he is still on his crazy pizza journey, and so he's had a couple of nights where he makes pizzas, a whole bunch of them for friends who can come by and pick them up. Social distancing, of course, which has been really cool, so.
Thank you, chef.
There's been a couple times where I've gone by his place to pick up a pizza and just, He really thinks that I'm saying this because I'm his friend and I am obligated to, or that maybe I haven't had enough good pizza in my life to really make a judgment call, but he would be wrong. One, I don't care about him that much as a friend to lie to him, and two, I have had shitloads of pizza in my life and I love pizza. Maybe I'm not a pizza slut like Jordan is, but I absolutely love pizza. So I feel like I can make a good call on the quality of the pizza based on what I know and what I like about pizza. His pizza is some of the best pizza I've ever had. And the reason for that is because he has been tirelessly experimenting with dough hydrations and flour and fermentation and like rising and proofing and all that stuff. He's got this like really crispy, really chewy pizza dough that is just really incredible. He's done some sourdough pizzas that are just like out of control. And I really want to start a pizzeria with him where I make bread and he makes pizza and we just have like a pizza bakery. But starting a business is insane and a dumb idea. You should never do it. That's a lot of pizza talk on a film photography channel. Okay, so if you think about science, it's all around us. Science is all around us, guys. So this video is actually a mix of Kodak Portra on 120 and Fuji Superia 200 on 35 millimeters. So this is a combination of stuff that I shot on my Mamiya RB67 and my Nikon F2. So in these first images, my good friend Lindsey, who is a phenomenal photographer who focuses on portraiture, but mostly in the coffee space, which is something I used to do more often as well. After the quarantine set in, she decided to start a project of a shelter-in-place portrait series. So she's been going around and offering portraits through your window or on your porch, from a safe distance, and taking whatever donation if you want to give her some money, which has been really great. So I donated some money to her and she came over and took some photographs of me. I decided to take some photos of her from my porch while she's taking photos of me because I'm annoying and wanted to participate as well. So that's what those pictures of, and those are all on Kodak Portra. The rest of the photos that are shot on Superia 200 were for my trip down to Fremont to see my mechanic. My car needs some work, and so I went down to go get his expertise, and I just shot some film around to see what my hometown was up to during the quarantine. So one more thing I wanted to mention, if you follow me, you probably follow Kyle McDougall, who is an incredible film photographer and videographer, filmmaker on YouTube. Here's one of his videos right here. You should definitely go check him out. He is a wonderful human as well as an amazing photographer and filmmaker. He put some of his prints up for sale to benefit the World Health Organization's fundraiser for COVID-19. And 100% of the proceeds that he makes from sales from those prints will go to the WHO for that fundraiser. And I decided to do the same thing because, as he says in his video where he talks about his fundraiser, as a photographer, my job's not really that important right now. I'm not essential, but I do want to help in any way that I can. And when I saw that Kyle had done this, it was something that I thought was genius. And I was a little bit upset that I didn't think of it first, but I'm really happy to do it. So I have put up a selection of some of my favorite images, some film, some digital, that you can order for a really affordable price, but all of the proceeds will go to the World Health Organization's fundraiser for COVID-19. So if you want to go help out, you want to get some cool art for your place, and you want to help out a great cause, that's one way you can do it. If there's a specific print that you would really like that is not in the store for sale, you can message me and maybe I can offer some other prints if that's something that you're looking for. I really appreciate everybody who has bought merch to support this channel or have done anything in any way to support this channel. And now I'm asking that you have that same enthusiasm for what's going on right now in the world, and please, please, please help the cause and get some cool art while doing it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Volume 2 of Risk of Exposure. Let me know how you guys think of this little series, if you like it, if there's more stuff you want to see. There's more coming, and I'm excited to show you guys more of what I've been shooting. But stay safe, keep creating, show me what you've been working on. I want to see your creative output. I want to see your film and digital photos and your videos. So let's see them. Thank you for watching. You guys are my favorite. It's hot in here. It's like hot in my room. It's really warm today. What is it, May 5th? Cinco de Mayo. It's Cinco de Mayo. I just I forgot. I remembered earlier today because I saw a post I made on Facebook like 4 years ago about it. But yes, that's it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Okay, bye.